Today, we'll talk about smart money trading setups. I'll show you a brick wall system. These are great smart money trading concepts which I use myself regularly. Once you use them, it will get easier and easier. It consists of order flow and structures, imbalances, liquidity, and multiple structure collisions. I love this trading style for scalping and day trading. We have so much to do. If you're ready, let's start. Today, we'll cover smart money trading, nice and cool strategy for beginner traders. Welcome our free trading course, all about price action trading strategies and smart money concepts. If you are looking for a structured table of contents, I set it up for you. You can find it on Google Drive or directly from my website, which is in the description. And please try to watch videos in order, otherwise it can be really confusing. Today, I want to talk about more advanced and very important key structures, starting from weekly, and we will slowly go down into low time frames. Let's observe what is happening with this chart. As you can easily see, the price struggles and reacts to this weekly order block. As you can see, the large imbalance right below the order block. As you remember from the last video, this is the super order block. It has extremely sharp down movement and a great imbalance zone. And this is the weekly support and resistance flip level. So many people keep missing these key structures. As you can see, there is something, especially with this price level. Price always reacts to it. Let's have a closer look into this daily price range and observe what is really happening. I want you to notice these wicks, lots of wicks. Once the price shifted downward, then pull back to the weekly order block level, it started to struggle a lot. This weekly order block becomes a brick wall. What is more important is the 30K level. All round numbers are special price levels that will struggle. Why? It is because big buyers and sellers, investors who only use high time frames will set their buy and sell orders to round numbers. Never forget this. Putting all aside, we are in this giant daily order block supply zone, which also keeps pushing the price. Remember, today we are not focusing on trading, but on understanding the price, where the price reacts and why. When we switch to the 4-hour time frame, we will get more and more ideas about the market direction. Notice this 4-hour flip area. Just like the weekly flip, it has no difference. Low time frames allow us to adjust the setups more and more. Notice this BPR and imbalance area, which is right below the round number 30K. You can also use your Fibonacci to get more ideas about your trading. So, all in all, what do we have here? Price keeps having struggles around 30K, and all other structures support this. Let's go down to the 1-hour chart and have more talk about what is really happening. First of all, what kind of structures do you see here? What is the order flow and what is really happening? This is the general order flow, which is classic and very basic. The most important thing is where it is happening. Notice where the price reacts exactly. Weekly order block, daily order block, 4-hour imbalance and balanced price range, and a 4-hour flip point. How does it react? Notice the market structure break right here. And notice this extremely powerful reaction. So as you can see, nothing happens by randomness. Price always reacts with extremely specific price levels. Remember, the layer system structures come together and become much stronger. This is it. If you use your premium and discount tool, you'll notice the price pullback right back to the EQ point, a classic reaction point. Before we continue, let's fully understand the brick wall system, or call it the layer system again. Remember what we had in our charts: the weekly super order block level, then the daily order block supply zone, 4-hour flip zone, and the 4 are imbalance and balanced price range zone. So we have weekly, daily, and hourly structures collide on top of one another, layering. Think of this system as a brick wall. More high and low time frame structures keep colliding with each other. When the price pulls back and hits this overall price level, we expect a strong reaction. Basically, the stronger the wall is, the stronger the reaction will be. Let me make it much simpler so everyone can fully understand. I want you to imagine a wall and a pillow. Wall presents multiple time frame structure collisions, such as weekly, daily, hourly order blocks, breaker blocks, imbalances, and so on at the same price level. And the pillow represents a singular structure, such as a random imbalance in the chart without any other structures nearby or colliding. And we have a basketball. First, we throw the ball to the brick wall. What do you think will happen? As you imagine, the ball will hit the wall and bounce back strongly. More concrete, the subject will cause much stronger reaction. On the other hand, if you throw the ball to the pillow, what kind of reaction do you imagine it will happen? As you already know, almost no reaction, because a pillow is really soft. It can only slow down the movement, but nothing else. I guess all these explanations made everything crystal clear. Very easy concepts actually, but most people just keep complicating things. Okay, everything is great, we have a very powerful system and direction, but how to trade this? When you notice these structures, you can clearly see that this is one of the most common trading patterns in the world. Breaker block system. The question is, where is the breaker block? Right here, a giant breaker block. Let me remove the path and check the chart more clearly. Here is another little trick that will also be a part of the master class, the round numbers again. Notice the 29K price level. Price pulls back and struggles, which also happens to be inside our 1-hour breaker block. Let's have a closer look within the 15-minute time frame. This 15-minute imbalance is extremely critical. Why? Because it is inside the breaker block. It closely collides with the breaker block. Remember this tip. Low time frame imbalances, which are inside the high time frame breaker blocks or order blocks, are the extreme reaction points. So, what do we have here? A fractal system. A small brick wall system, everything is the same, just the time frames are different. 1-hour breaker block, premium discount EQ point, 29K round number level, and the 15-minute imbalance. Creates a mini brick wall for us. This is how you take trades, using a fractal system one inside another. For targets, 2 are trades much more than enough. However, you could have used larger targets such as significant lows and liquidity points. As you know, risk management and profit taking are your business. I have no say on that matter. In my opinion, 2R or 3R profits are more than enough to grow your account. Okay folks, I tried to teach you little secrets and details of smart money trading. This is a very common trading strategy in the trading world, so you can use it in your trading life as a day trader or even scalper. I hope you subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you, please take care and see you soon.